Hi guys, and welcome back to the Beauty Bank, and today I wanted to do with you a little bit of an unboxing of Boxwalla. It's a new subscription box that I've recently signed up to. It's a US subscription box, so here in the UK we have to pay overseas shipping, which is about £17.99, but the box itself is about £35. This is the beauty box, but they also do a food box and a book box, I think. So a really nice versatile range there for you to try. I was really drawn to this particular subscription box. It was either this or Beauty Heroes, and both are fantastic. There's different brands featured in each, and they're both kind of on a luxurious level. This in particular has some great brands featured, and you only get sort of maybe 2-3 items, but they are fantastic value for money, and they are luxurious, gorgeous, like some of the best things around at the moment. So yes, I went for Boxwalla. I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing, and we'll have a look and see what was inside. This is February's box, so they're a bi-monthly box for that price, and yeah, here we go. So this month's box saw two particular items. The amazing Moon Skincare. This is the Acnari, I think it's called, Brightening Youth Serum, which has got some really gorgeous ingredients. It's really great for most skin types, in particular if you're dry, or if you've got combination skin, or if you've got a bit of, sun damage or something going on, I don't know. It's got some ingredients like prickly pear, argan oil, rose. It's certified organic, and it's really lovely. And you also get this lovely canvas style either makeup bag or storage bag to keep things in, which was really, really nice. I've used this a couple of times and I'm so impressed with it. It's like a light to medium weight oil, so it smells divine. It's full of rich nutrient ingredients, and yeah, I really loved this oil for my skin. I thought it was absolutely fantastic. The only way I can describe it is that in the evening when you want to go to bed, it's a sensory experience as well as a skin experience. So my skin benefited so well from this particular oil, even though I've only used it a couple of times. And yeah, it was just a pleasure because it smells amazing. The second thing was the Amley Botanicals Silver Rich Face Mist, and this was in Beauty Sleep. They do a few different ones. One of them is, I think it's called Digital Detox, which looks really interesting. But this particular one, it's a nice big bottle, nice thick glass bottle, and smells amazing. I never remember all of the ingredients that are in here, but it has things like, bear with me, neroli. It has geranium, aloe vera, frankincense, chamomile, valerian root, ylang ylang, and a load of other really great ingredients, including clary sage. So yeah, a really, really nice item to have. So great value for money, being even if you're in the UK and you're paying the £17.99 on top of the £35, it's still great value for money in my book. So these two items were a massive hit. The spray nozzle sets out a really fine, wide mist. So for me, it was literally one spritz and it covers the whole face. So it's a really high quality bottle, as well as having gorgeous contents. So I really love this, and I really think this is going to be in my collection for a long, long time. Amley are a UK brand, so yes, loved it. That is the Boxwalla box. It's only a very short video, but as you can see, it's a great box. So if you can, go and scout it out. I've also got another one coming in April, which I'm really looking forward to. It's got a great feature of some brands, and I'm not going to give anything away. If you're the type that likes to know what's coming, head over to Boxwalla's Instagram, where you can see some sneak peeks of what's going to be in the April box. For now though, I'm going to keep it to myself, and I'm going to see you on the next video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel, as it supports it so much, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye!